Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Do have another unboxing today. Probably upload this tomorrow. Might upload it here in just a second. Came in from White Mountain Knives. It's something I ordered about a week ago, a little bit. For some reason, I ordered this like a day or two before the PMP. This one kind of got slowed up. But firstly, I want to just say thank you to the channel members. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you all each and every day. And thank you for anybody who just comes by and watches, shares, likes, subscribes, engages with the content. It means a lot to me, guys. If you're so inclined and you'd like to subscribe, that would even help me out more, and it'd notify you when I upload new content, like unboxings. But again, this is from White Mountain Knives. As you can tell by the shape of the box, it is probably not our normal folder. Using our Amazon titanium razor knife, well, this is a knife from Concept. I don't have a lot of Concept knives. I've got my, I've given some away. I've got my Bulldog that I traded with Dark Gravity for, or my Bulldozer. Really nice knife. I saw this one being offered in this configuration, and I was very interested. This is the COVID S, Cock Tools, S35VN, little fixie. So as you guys know, I have a weak spot for fixed blades. So when I see that's compact swag, that's the sheath with a little clip, troll candy. That taped. And guys, the one thing I'll say is none of these carbon fiber handles, to get the S35VN, you had to get the carbon fiber. Really floated my boat. I kind of like the gold, but it had these big brass screws to hold the scales on. I wasn't a big fan, so I just went with something that I thought would kind of be low-key. Not that this is by any means low-key, but this is the white, black, carbon fiber. It's a full tang, little street cleaver, right? I can tell you that in my hand, and I don't know because I've never had a Corvid folder. I don't know if this would be the medium size. I know it's not the small. No, it's not the large, but it fits my hand absolutely like a dream. It is a EDC fixed blade. It says right here, Cock Tools, which I guess is the maker, COVID S on the blade there, the little Concept logo, and then we have S35VN, and I guess that's a part number right by this plunge grind. See how far back that plunge grind goes? And how much just good sharpening you could do off this. It's even got a little point for package opening. I could see this as a great trail knife, as a great prep knife, as a little chopper. You know, I use them just as supplements to my regular carries because I like carrying an EDC fixed blade. Sorry guys, therapeutic cutting taking place. This is the factory edge. This is just an unboxing. Whoops. Okay, so I can tell you unequivocally that it is very, very, very slicey. It is a flat grind blade, and it starts out right here at this fuller, it looks like, and gets flat from there. The fit and finish of the carbon fiber and the full tank construction is perfect. The jimping is great. This little slope lets you get further up on the knife. Let's see how it goes in and out of the sheath. This is just an unboxing. So it locks into that bolt, which I've noticed a lot do. You've got your full-size rivets here, which give you a lot of carry options. It does come with an inside the pocket. Goes in and out of pocket very well and buries deep in the pocket. I hate doing this. It slows things down. I don't have a... but that shows you how it would sit. How it would sit in your pocket. I like that for an EDC knife. For an EDC fixed blade, I should say. I might even keep that little simple clip on there. I don't see a need to change it, you know, but I could put on straps if I wanted to. Could put on an Ulti clip, or deep concealment clip, or the like. But yeah, this is the Corvid, the Concept Corvid S. This knife is available in a lot of different configurations. I got it in the carbon fiber because it came with the S35VN blade. Why? I don't know. I'm a knife freak. But it also comes in G10, in micarta with 14C. I think it starts off somewhere around 60, 65 bucks. I picked this one up at White Mountain Knives, used the Javon discount. I can't remember if it was 99 or if it was 150 in this configuration, but I'll link it in the description, guys. I'll put just a link from where I got this one at White Mountain Knives, and y'all can check. But yeah, the Corvid S by Concept, my first Concept fixed blade. Really dig it. That's an unboxing. I will use it for a while, share it with you guys, let you know what I think. Thank you all so much for checking it out. I appreciate you more than you know. If you are so inclined and you haven't yet, if you'd hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. If you're watching this when I upload it, which is Saturday evening, we are doing Off the Edge tonight over on Lefty EDC's channel. But just come over there if you'd like. I appreciate you all. I ask at the end of every video one thing. Please, please, please just look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.